Okay, boys and girls, today's video is going to be a little different as we talk about Cryptocom Coin or CRO. If you are a holder, all I'm going to say is you have some utility to catch on to and you do not want to miss out on this video. Make sure you guys do watch the last 1 minute because you will be very happy if you are a holder of CRO. Before we get into it, if you guys are here for the first time, do want to stay up to date with everything to do with CRO, I highly recommend you scroll down and tap the red subscribe button. While there, also go ahead and slap a like on the video so the YouTube algorithm pushes the video out to more people see the incredible side of CRO, they decide to buy into it, it starts spiking up and all of us make a lot of profit. I mean, hey, all you can do is slap a like on it. Other than that, let's get straight into it. So to begin with today's video, first of all, let's look at the 1 hour chart and calm some of you guys down, because the amount of tweets that I've received in the past 24 hours saying, Sky, what do you think is going to happen to CRO is crazy. Now if we decide to look at the overall trend that CRO is starting to form, we remember that about 72 hours ago we were in a strong downtrend because the retracement was much higher than everyone anticipated, and you can see from this point to this point we were obviously the lower low was much lower. But then about 48 hours ago we did have a flip around and the switch actually completely turned when this higher high was actually lower than the next one, and also this lower low was obviously higher than the previous lower low. The same thing has happened over here. Now one thing that a lot of people need to understand is at this point the biggest support that CRO is going to be playing off is going to be 70 cents. Now that support is going to be a super crucial support to help the price stay stable before the whole bull market comes in and takes over and takes it to the moon. The thing you need to understand is this consolidation period that we are in right now is going to be playing a very crucial role to actually help sustain the price of CRO and at the same time help us actually climb up very quickly. If we decide to see this retracement, you can see it was much smaller than the previous retracement, suggesting that it is starting to close in a little bit more. The volatility of the market, which is the CRO market, has started to slow down a little bit, and at the same time it is flipping into an uptrend. Now the reason 70 cents is going to be a strong support that we will be playing off is due to the fact that even when we had the all-time high bull run, at that point 70 cents was a very crucial support and most of the bounce offs have been around there. You can see even the previous bounce off that we just received was actually very close to 70 cents, as a lot of limit orders a lot of limit buy orders would have been triggered close to 70 cents, helping the price push up again. At this point, yes, we did have a huge red about an hour ago. I mean, you can consider it not extremely big, but at the same time in the super trend you can see that from the past 24 hours we are in a downtrend, suggesting that the buy orders are not coming in as frequently as a lot of people would want to. You can see that there was some strong buy orders, but then the sell orders are being more done by the community compared to the buy orders. On the RSI line you can also see that we are in the dead center. We're not in the oversold zone or overbought zone, which is really good because at this point we will be able to have a consolidation period. I know at this point a lot of people do want to hold on to CRO for a longer period of time. What would I suggest? I suggest that is a good decision because CRO is going to be doing really well over time, and there is a lot of things that will back it up. But before we go into it, I also want to show you guys the 4 hour chart, which is showing something a little enticing and very interesting. So after the all-time high that we hit, you can see that on the overall trend we have been on a downtrend. It is very clear. Also from the bottom, if we decide to look, you can see that we have been talking about the symmetrical triangle that is closing in, and it seems to be closing in better and better as the day goes forward. But at the same time, a lot of people are scared that when the symmetrical triangle closes in, it will start going into a downtrend. Now keep in mind, when the symmetrical triangle closes in, it cannot go into a downtrend because this is an ascending symmetrical triangle, which actually pushes it into an uptrend and takes it where the symmetrical triangle started. So for that for that reason, for us, that is obviously going to be the all-time high. So please stop being scared. At the same time, if the symmetrical triangle takes longer than a lot of people are thinking, don't worry, you can take your time. Just make sure you have your CRO stacked inside of Crypto.com and you will be completely okay, as you will be receiving interest on it and a lot more benefits. And that is one of the reasons why Crypto.com Coin in the first place started exploding. Now, something that I really want to show you guys is this. Crypto.com Coin has utility compiling to the crypto skeptics. Crypto.com has a current price of around 72 cents and ranked number 14 among top cryptocurrencies by market cap. Crypto.com Coin has a market cap of 18 billion. Now, if we decide to go down from the unusual information, you can see over here, like other cryptocurrencies, Crypto.com Coin surged in 2021, delivering incredible gains to investors, especially for anyone who bought in early. At the beginning of the year, CRO was at 5.9 cents and it's actually up 1,000%. What is going to happen next? Now, a lot of people are suggesting, as you know, Crypto.com is such a big platform now. They are spending or just liquidating money so quickly to have their platform being promoted as much as possible. And when Web3 actually comes in, you guys know that is going to be the next hype. The first hype was obviously metaverse, and then there was a couple of other ones that came in, the gaming one, but the next one, obviously the huge one, is obviously going to be Web 3.0. First of all, you should know that Crypto.com Coin is a native token to Crypto.com chain, open source blockchain developed by Crypto.com payment, trading and financial service company, and also has the bold vision that we are a community building the future of internet, Web 3.0. Now, you know Web 3.0, any token related or connected to Web 3.0 is going to explode at the start of 2022, as a lot of hype is around that specific design. First it was meme tokens, then it was NFTs, then obviously there was the big metaverse season. Now it is going to be Web 3.0. Yes, it's been in works for a long time, but right now for crypto coins in general, Web 3.0 is going to be the next hype. And let's just say Crypto.com chain is going to be one of the leading things when it comes to the chain and the utility being released. And I don't know if Crypto.com will succeed in being a major Web 3.0 platform, but having over 10 million users, let's just say they will have a huge impact. Also, Staples Center, you know, it's been renamed. The renaming, everything will be done by the 25th of December, which is going to be Christmas, and it is going to be a huge day for the price of CRO token as well. Personally, I will be keeping my eye out on the price on the 25th just to see what sort of impact it will have, because a lot more people visually will also see Crypto.com and maybe search it up and buy into CRO token. And finally, the price prediction. Where will the price go now after they have purchased NADEX, which is obviously going to be entering Crypto.com into the US markets. Now, a lot of people are suggesting once all of this is done, it is going to have a huge bump in price and obviously go over $1, which is very, very predicted. But the one that a lot of people are saying is it is going to be crossing $4. Now, that is crazy gains if they does decide to do that. But other than that, let me know down in the comment section what you think. Personally, I'm really excited to see the future. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.